Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone so changes take immediate effect. Open Settings and enable Battery Saver now. This reduces background activity and syncs. Next, turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth if you aren't using them, and disable location services. These radios drain power fast. Then lower screen brightness to around 30% or enable adaptive brightness so the display adjusts automatically. Once done, make sure your phone is unplugged so you can see real battery impact as we move to deeper optimizations. Now focus on apps and processes that silently waste power. Open battery usage and identify top consumers, restrict or stop those apps, and revoke background permissions when possible. Use adaptive battery to prioritize frequently used apps and limit others. Alternatively, enable limits on background processes in developer options. Uninstall apps you don't need, and disable auto start for chat or streaming apps that wake the device. These steps cut CPU and network use, so your battery lasts longer between charges. Finish by tuning network and display settings and knowing one troubleshooting tip. In areas with poor signal, switch to airplane mode because searching for towers burns battery. Use Wi-Fi calling when available. Set screen timeout to 15 or 30 seconds and enable a dark theme to save OLED power. If you still see rapid drain, reboot the phone, install OS and app updates, and boot into safe mode to isolate a problematic app. This troubleshooting step usually reveals whether software or hardware is the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.